Okay, so welcome back again. Now this AI generates some nice beautiful architectural drawing and landscape. So landing on this website, you can see that there's nothing much here, but there is more gem inside this little website. Now to generate any architectural drawing or landscape, simply here it says tap image to let AI generate a new house. So let's do that. So when you tap the image, it's trying to generate another new image. So you can see here, and again this is AI, so you can generate as many as you wanted to until you find the best one you want to use. Okay, so here's a nice one that kind of like having this coastline here, and then all these rocks here making up a nice view, and then going into this building here. So what we can do, how do we download this? Now to download that, first you need to save this, because once by mistake and you tap here, this is gonna go. So to save it, come here and you can see it says save it. So click here to save this image here, and later you can see it says save. This is where you go in. Here where you see all the generation or the images that you've been generated using this AI. So they all appear here. Now coming back here, how do we download this? Now you can see it says get 8K image here. So what happens is when you click here, it gets you to another image upscaler. So it will upscale this image up to 8K. So to do that, let's click on this link. So once you click on it, you can see it's starting to process the image to upscale it. So let's just wait until it's finished and then we can have a look at it. So it is done now. You can see this is the, when you put the mouse here, you can see this is the original on there, and then you can see the upscale with a little name here. So when we click on the link, it gets us to this upscale.media, which is by pixelbin.io. They don't only have this image upscaler, they also have some AI applications here, like for example, shrink media, convert files, and then erase background. And you also have the watermark remover, which is this one here. So we're just using this, it's free to use. You can sign up if you wanted to. If not, you can just upload your image here by click on this upload button here to upscale your image. So you can see we upscale this by 2 times, so we can go up as 4 times. Okay, so we already upscale this one here. You can click download if you want to, or if you want to enhance the quality again, you can click here to enhance the quality. So now it is done. To download, simply click on this download button here to download it. So here's the final image. So coming back again to this AI website, you can see very simple UI, but wait, there's more to this website. If you look down here, there's some link here. One of them we have already discovered, which is save, where all your image generation that you save will appear here. You also have the ideas AI here, you have the interior AI, and you have the photo AI, which is the text to image generator. And this is maybe one of the best image generator that generated the reality images, as you can see soon. So let's check it out here in the interior AI phase. So once we click on the link, it brings us here. So what happened here is you need to upload your own image with your original image, and then type in your text prompt, and then change the living room, bedroom, whatever that you want to generate, and then render the new idea. So you can see this is the original image, and here's the rendered image from the AI, and here's another one here, and here's another one again. So they do have this. They also have this other text to image generator, as we have mentioned, and I think it's one of the best. But for this to generate using this text to image generator, you have to subscribe first to use it. So simply type in your email here, and then it will direct you to do some other things. So here you can see the image coming from here, a more realistic images, because this is kind of like they call it photo booth, where you train your own images to generate high quality and realistic images. So there you go, enjoy yourself, and see you back again in another video.